Let's dive deep
High cap nerd.
Is this a problem? What?
Yeah.
You either get him or him.
I want him.
You either. All right then.
Sorry, Joey. Sorry.
Joey, just know that I'm gonna overshoot you. Let's see what Dan.
What? The kid and all OD green light up as much as possible. It's funny.
Wait. I'm not here to get the flag and hold it.
Actually, I don't know where I'm gonna go.
What?
Do you want to go just side?
Wait, no, go.
I don't know.
Big Ben, you're out, kid.
Don't just sit there and respond.
Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang.
I'm already out. Chill, Sam.
Macron, is that you? Walk.
No.
Where's Macron? Did you ever run Macron? Macron! He's on our team! Macron! He shot you! I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Cody shot you. I'm sorry. You can shoot me. No, you can't. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
Okay, we go with the
You hit?
No, I'm not. Okay. Go. I know.
Where you want to go?
See how the...
Oh. Someone's not calling their hits.
What? You what? Freaking dumbass.
Want to push on him?
Yeah.
Where's he at?
They're in the hall.
Bang, 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 bang! Bang, bang! Joey, move!
Joey!
Are you kidding me? What?
Did Joey say he didn't call it
I don't know.
or something?
Yeah, where my other 2 mags at? Someone stole my 2 mags. Someone stole 2 mags. Pissed.
That guy's a jackass.
Watch your language.
Where?
Where do I go? Why I just go straight ahead?
Go.
Let's just go. Sorry.
Go.
Well, that is game over. Make sure your bags up, throw it on, stay on, stay cool, and keep your face mask on.